Good morning, everyone. Amy Conley here with United Way of Door County. It is Monday, May 19th, another week. So let's see. May is Mental Health Month. I've said that several times already. I will continue to remind you of that. I was able to sneak away Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I will tell you, sunshine on Friday was very good for my mental health, and time with friends was really good for my mental health. So I hope everyone continues to find little ways that they can help manage their mental health so that they can be the best person that they want to be. Phones, so our main line, our 920-746-9645 number is fine. That is not interrupted with any cell comms issues. Our staff, they all have mobile phones. So when you call them directly, like on their 421 numbers, those phones were impacted by the Cellcom outage. I've not seen all of them yet today to know the status of each of their phones, because what we're hearing is some are working, some are not. So if you have been trying to reach one of our team members, I apologize for the delay. You can call 920-746-9645, and Tanya, Carrier I will answer the phone, and we will be able to get a message to one of them, and then they can use our landline phones to call you back. It'll just take a little configuring, but we'll make it work for you. So I'm sorry that many of you are struggling right now with phone issues as well. This is a big week for us here. So part of that workforce innovation grant that we got back in 2021 was to put a cohort of students through a one-year certificate program at NWTC, and that was for early child care educators. So today we have the commencement ceremony for that class. So this is their time with their class, with their family, their friends, to celebrate their achievement. And most of them are already working in child care centers, which is great, helping to support our child care centers so that they are fully staffed and that more kiddos can have care, which means more kiddos are getting early education. More parents, grandparents, guardians are able to go to work. So that connectedness is really important, that we stress that, but also that's, the reason behind a lot of our work. One, education for our kiddos, but really that workforce development issue, that economic development issue. Child care is important to the fabric of our community. So working on that. So today they graduate, which is great. And then on Wednesday, the Sturgeon Bay campus NWTC folks, they will be having their commencement ceremony, and our students will be part of that as well. And our intern that we had from NWTC this last semester, he's also graduating on Wednesday, so we are really proud of him. So that was a little bit about commencement, work in the area of childcare, all of those good things. Saturday, we hosted Addicts Wake with Department of Health and Human Services and the Door County Alcohol and Drug Coalition. I was not there, but what I heard from staff was that we had about 30 folks there, and it went really well. So thank you to everybody who came out to learn about addiction, to learn about opioid usage and how it's impacting communities, and then hopefully some forward movement on what we can do there. Speaking of follow-up on speakers, screen time and mental health, Percy Brown was here a few weeks ago. We will be meeting with school administration to talk about next steps. So you'll be able to hear from us on what things we're hoping to do in the community around all of that. So those are kind of the updates and what we're working on this week. I hope everybody has a great week. For those of you with Cellcom, hopefully your phone service comes back soon and you're able to reconnect with everybody. Have a great week, everyone. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.